Today we'll be looking at what makes a line. So we're going to start off by we go to GeoGebra and then we're just going to input an equation. So we have A will be y equals 0.8x plus 3.2. So now we have our line. We have this line here. Now, if you just click on here and use your arrow keys, in going up and down or right and left, if you go right and down, you control how, pretty much where the point that you have, the point of intersection of the y-axis and the point of intersection of the x-axis. So if you do that, that's what you control. You control it by small increments. But if you take the mouse and you try moving it, you just move it a lot faster. So now we're going to get rid of this and we're going to create a new line. So we're going to create sliders, and so that way we can just go ahead, we can change how it is and change the line a little bit easier. So we have M, which would be our slope that we're going to get to. We have B, which would be the point at which it crosses the y-axis. The line will cross the y-axis. Then we're going to have our equation y equals mx plus b. And so as you can see here, if I move this, it changes the way the slope of the line, or how steep it is. If I move here, it changes where it crosses the y-axis. So from far left, you see it crosses at -5, and if you take it to the far right, it's going to cross it at 5. So we're going to put it back to 1. Okay. Now we're going to create our point of intersection. So A, Y axis. So we have that point. We're going to create a second point at the origin. And we're going to connect those so you can see how far up it is. Let's make it green because I like green. I'll make you red and you blue. Okay. So you get a better picture. So now we're going to show you the slope of the line. And click on there. And so you see how right now the slope is at 0.5. So that means every half a section it's going to go up 1. And every time you go over 1x, you can go up half a section. So from 0x to 1x, it went up 0.5. But so if I go ahead and take the slider and I move it, you can see I can change it. So I can make it for every x it goes over 1, so it changes to 2. Or if I change it to 2, it made it go up 2 points. 2 points. So it made it go to 3 when it went to 1. So the slope just controls how steep it is. And so as you see, a positive slope is going to go up from left to right. And then if you go negative, it's going to go down from left to right. And then, so if you have a 0 slope, it's just going to be a straight line, a straight horizontal line. And then you can't have a straight up and down line, the slope of that will be undefined because you're not going over anymore. So the X is at the bottom, so you're not going to be going over anymore. And then, as you can see, so we have that, and then we have this control where it controls where it crosses the X-axis. I'm sorry, the Y-axis. So go down as low as -5 and as high as 5. So you can see that this controls where it crosses the line, the Y-axis, and this just controls how steep it is.